Hello and welcome to another installment of JSVeterans.com videos. As the lead developer, my name is Gasper. Let's get started, shall we? So the goal of this video is going to be to highlight the various different options when it comes to different mods, ranks, and slots, as well as touch on some of the stuff in the store that will be available at launch. So right away, you'll notice that there are several options when it comes for purchasing items in Star Kinesis. Currently, all of these are statically focused. That's not to say that there won't be any statistical bonuses available in the store soon. Just right now, all I have loaded up is just that. Right off the bat, you'll notice several different colors for the various different components that can have their color changed. Towards the bottom, you'll also see things related to the environmental packs. There will be always a few available at the store for purchase. Below that, you'll also notice that there are several different logos for both the fleet or the player. And lastly, before that, you'll notice one freebie item. This is basically a task that you can perform to get in-game currencies of various types. And this is just the beginning. This is what I use for testing. Again, I plan to add things like unique looking turrets, but again, nothing will be available in the store that isn't available to be purchased in-game. So let's go ahead and move on. So what I would like to highlight here is just the standard mod systems that are available in the game. What I did is I added one of every type in all three ranks in the game into my inventory here. That's not including that every single one of these mods has 3 slots. So in effect, multiply all the mods you see here times 3, and that's all the standard mods only in the game. There are quite a few mods here. So let me go ahead and start off with saying the AMS systems, those are the anti-missile systems, one of the rare standard mods available in the game. These will actually intercept explosive components coming towards your carrier or ships. In effect, it's missile flak. Moving down, we start to see a various amount of ships. There's corvettes, interceptors, frigates, and gunships available in the SMOD variety. Next, we have a series of non-combat mods and then missile mods. There are 3 different primary missile types. Missiles are the most potent turrets in the game, but they can be directly countered with AMS systems. That is not the case with the other 2 categories of weapon systems. The ballistic types and the energy weapons cannot be countered directly. And then we quickly shoot down to various different weapon systems. Now the big thing to note here is that the ranks and the slots make every single weapon system look dramatically different, from different models to different armor plates to different slot quantities. And that's one of the things I'm going to show you here right now. But please bear with me, there are still glitches in the game that I'm working through. It's actually the main reason why this video is a little bit shorter than usual. So as you see, the models are dramatically different. You see additional armor plates, and these are all 3 slot mods. Obviously, you could have also 1 and 2 slot mods as well. You can quickly tell how many slots a turret or any mod has by the bottom 3 icons on the right, in this case being turrets. You can also note that the lower the slot number, the lower the accuracy. As I covered yesterday, slots are a counterweight to the rank system. So I'm going to remove my ship mods from the standard mod slots and replace all these weapon systems with pulse, miniguns, and laser cannons, as well as change the environmental variables, the coloring systems for the entire carrier, and some of my logos, just to make like a cool green-blue sort of 2-tone color system. And then I'm going to take this carrier out for a quick spin. Now I'm not going to play through the entire mission. Needless to say, this particular mission only took approximately 3 minutes to complete. I didn't complete the secondary objectives, I just did the main objectives really quick, and then I deuced. But it would have simply taken another 2 to 3 minutes of invested time to complete the secondary objectives within this mission. The bonus missions are in fact the smallest missions in the game, so they're expected to be quick, and they're also limited to single player. You'll see that the particle effects for all the weapon systems in match have also changed in congruence with the various ranks now equipped on the carrier. A good strategy with many long-range weapons like these is to use the broadside ability, where it essentially turns your carrier 90 degrees and slows your movement speed, but it allows you to capitalize on maximizing fire on a single target. Also, I think it should be noted that this is a tier 4 carrier, so it is brutally outmatching these enemies. The enemies do adapt, but since this is a zone 1 map, they only are allowed to adapt so far. So I'm in no danger of losing any assets here. Not to mention that's what armor's for, right? So I'll leave this video short and sweet and get back to work. So thanks for watching, and I hope you support us at JSVeterans.com. Take care.